Most people think risk comes from being wrong. In silver, risk often comes from being too certain. Certainty feels safe, it feels confident, it feels justified, and that's exactly why silver punishes it. Silver doesn't move against people because they're uninformed. It moves against them because too many people become convinced they already understand what should happen. That's when markets become fragile. Certainty creates positioning. Positioning creates imbalance, and imbalance invites the market to apply pressure where it hurts most, not to invalidate the thesis, but to test how deeply it's held. This is why silver often moves in ways that feel unfair. When confidence is highest, price hesitates. When conviction hardens, price pulls back. And when people finally stop defending their view, that's often when the market is free to move. Silver doesn't reward conviction. It rewards survivability, the ability to stay engaged without needing constant confirmation, the ability to hold a view without being emotionally attached to timing. Most losses in silver don't come from bad analysis. They come from good analysis held too rigidly, from turning a thesis into an identity, from needing the market to behave on a schedule. The market senses that rigidity. It senses where stops are clustered, where leverage is layered, where emotional certainty is highest, and it moves through those zones first. This is why the most dangerous words in silver investing are, "I'm sure," because certainty removes flexibility, and flexibility is what allows you to survive volatility without being shaken out. The investors who last through silver cycles aren't the most confident, they're the most adaptable. They allow price to behave badly without assuming the thesis has failed. They separate structure from timing. Once you understand this, you stop trying to be right, and you start trying to stay positioned. You stop demanding confirmation, and you stop mistaking discomfort for danger. This is how I approach silver. Not with certainty, not with predictions, but with humility toward structure and patience toward timing. Because silver doesn't punish people for being wrong. It punishes them for being certain. If this way of thinking resonates, especially during frustrating stretches, you'll want to stay here. Because this is how I frame silver, week by week, without needing to predict the next move.